What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Lavish Exotics coming back with another video today. Today I'll be showing you guys my purple passion female ball python that I got a couple months ago. So she is a purple passion ball python, which is a morph, a specific genetic variation that typically exhibits a purple or lavender coloration with some pattern markings often resembling lines of dashes on the sides and sometimes on top of the snake. This is my girl Nyoka. Now Nyoka means in Swahili, it means snake. So I thought it was a very pretty name for a very pretty snake. But this morph is the result of combining two genes, which is a phantom and a Mojave, both of which are within the blue-eyed lucistic complex. So these genes, when combined, create a unique purple coloration in the purple passion morph. As you guys can see her move around, just as gentle as she can be. I'm gonna pretend that you guys know nothing about snakes. So first off, ball pythons, they vary in color and genes. You got co-dominant, you got dominant genes. So what we're talking about today is the purple passion gene. Now this gene is pretty complex. So I'm going to pretend that you guys know nothing about reptiles and nothing about snakes, nothing about ball pythons. So I'm going to break down what morph means. So morph means, or ball python morphs, are color or pattern variations in ball pythons caused by genetic mutations, resulting in the appearance different from the standard wild type. So these variations are not subspecies, but rather are created by combining specific genes from different ball pythons. Over 6,000 different morphs exist, with breeders continuously creating new combinations. So there are something called dominant genes, which are always expressed even when paired with a different allele. There are recessive genes, need to be present in both parents to be expressed. So this is the same thing as blonde hair, blue eyes, basically. You have incomplete dominant genes, which is heterozygous individuals carrying one copy of the gene, have one phenotype, while homozygous individuals carrying two copies have a more extreme phenotype. And then you have allelic combos, morphs that can be created by combining different genes, leading to a wide array of color or pattern variations. When it comes to behavior, there is no behavioral difference between the different morphs of ball pythons, but there are some physical differences, and some of them have wobbles and different characteristics. For example, the spider ball python, it wouldn't change in temperament. You know, different specimens have different temperaments, so it wouldn't be because of their morph. It would just be because of the temperament of that animal. Maybe it was handled a little bit reckless at birth, and maybe it's more defensive, maybe it's more passive. But some physical differences will be the spider gene, which is a very popular morph, but in terms of breeding, individuals don't want to breed the spider gene into like a very complex project that you have between, you know, some pretty pricey morphs that you can get. You don't want them to have a wobble, and this wobble can cause them to, you know, be functional but like barely functional, or basically handicapped. And you don't want this to be bred down into the genes of a project that you've been working on for quite some time. But basically, you got the pie ball, which is a recessive gene. You got pastel, that lightens up colorations. You got fire, that reduces brown pigments and alters the pattern. You got anxathic, a morph that reduces or eliminates yellow and red pigments, resulting in a muted color pattern. You have ivory, which is beige and peach coloration, sometimes with orange, yellow, and purple highlights. And you have banana, which the dominant colors are lost, resulting in pale yellow and white snake. Stay tuned, or you can go to some of my previous genes and you can look at Steph Curry, which is my male banana ball python, and he is a banana morph, and he is in the breeding rotation. Ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Please hit that like and subscribe button. I'm going to be more consistent with my content. This is Nayoka, my new addition to the family, my female purple passion ball python. Thank you guys for watching. More content coming soon.